Hey everybody, Cooper here, and today we're going to be doing a full Jade Obsidian ceramic coat installation, but there's a lot of steps you need to do beforehand. So I've already done the paint correction. Now we got to go in with a clay bar and some clay lube and get all those particles off. So I'm going to be using Body Shine from Auto Magic. I'll go right in, we'll start claying this vehicle down. Once you've clayed the vehicle, you can go ahead and wipe off all that excess clay lube. Now that the vehicle has been clayed, we want to make sure there's nothing else that might get under that sealant coating. So we're just going to hit it with some True North iron remover, show those iron particles if we missed any. All right, then with iron remover, we'll let that dwell for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll check back to see if we missed any spots. The iron remover did reveal some imperfections. We got a couple spots here on the hood, as well as some by the door panel down here. So we'll hit it with a sponge, wipe it down with a towel, and then we'll be good to go. All right, now that the decontamination process is complete, we can go ahead and start with this ceramic coat installation. With the Jade Obsidian and most ceramic coats, you want an applicator pad. I'm gonna use a suede applicator pad. You can use a microfiber, you can use a round puck, lots of different styles, people preferences, it's whatever. Apply 10 to 20 drops on the applicator pad and then do a crosshatch pattern. I'll give you a better look here in a second, but we'll start on this Acura here, do the whole vehicle and check it out when it's done. All right, so as mentioned before, we're going in with this Jade Obsidian. I'm gonna start here with this driver rear door. You wanna shake it up first a little bit. Open it up. Yeah, like I said, 10 to 20 drops on the applicator pad here, so. There we go. Put it aside for now. And what you're gonna wanna do is a crosshatch pattern, so up and down, and then side to side with a little overlay on each. So we'll start right here. Start with a 3 by 3 foot area to begin with. All right. So the great thing about the Jade products is that they do have a UV tracer in them. So I got a UV flashlight here. Turn some lights off here quick. So you can check the application. So you can see it a little bit right there. So yeah, now that area, you can see where it ends about right there. No coating. There we are. Okay, so yeah, pretty even. You want to check it consistently with that flashlight to make sure that it is an even coating. So we can go ahead and keep going on this vehicle here. Now I am only going to hit the painted surfaces as well as the metal trim. Not going to use it on the glass. The Jade does have a specific product for the glass. Jade Obsidian usually flashes in about 5 minutes typically. And we'll just keep on going with this door here. All right, now that the whole vehicle has been coated with that Jade Obsidian, I'm just gonna go through with a gentle buff with a microfiber towel here, just to remove any excess. You wanna make sure if it's tacky to the touch, that means it's cured. So just gentle buff along the whole vehicle here. And there you have it. Your ceramic coating is fully installed. This time we used the Jade Obsidian. Lasts for 7 years with regular maintenance. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.